With literally thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, some of which are solving issues of high transaction fees, speed, and scalability, Polkadot is quickly becoming one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies. So in today's video, we'll break down Polkadot as simple and as comprehensive as possible. We'll dive into what the project does and how real businesses and users are leveraging the Polkadot ecosystem. Hey, it's Mark Thompson from CryptoMade, and today we're talking all about Polkadot. But before we go deep, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you receive instant alerts for upcoming videos where we talk all about crypto investing opportunities, including altcoins, DeFi, play-to-earn gaming, the metaverse, NFTs, and more. Also, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This coin breakdown is meant for educational and informational purposes only. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, what is Polkadot? Like Ethereum, Polkadot is not just a cryptocurrency, but an entire ecosystem for smart contracts, decentralized applications, and more. Polkadot is an open source layer 0 blockchain ecosystem and cryptocurrency that provides interconnectivity and interoperability between blockchains by enabling independent and incompatible chains to securely exchange messages and perform transactions with each other without the need of a trusted party. So at this point, I'm guessing you're a little confused. So let's go ahead and break it down. Most layer 1 blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana are not compatible with each other. This means if you have some ETH, you cannot go and use it to pay for an NFT on the Solana blockchain or inside of a game on the Binance blockchain. However, Polkadot is a means for the incompatible blockchain networks to communicate with one another. As a result, tokens and other data might be easily moved between blockchains. For a variety of reasons, you may need to process transactions that include sharing data and transmitting tokens from one network to another. So Polkadot's parachain mechanism will make this incredibly possible, as it allows users to create individualized sidechains for coordinating interactions with public blockchain networks and consensus procedures without the use of intermediaries. There are 3 types of chains that make up the Polkadot network. The first is the relay chain. The second is the parachain, and the third is the bridge chain. The relay chain is the primary link in the network that connects all the individual chains. User-created chains run in parallel and travel through the Polkadot network, known as parachain. Finally, bridge chain is the blockchain that connects other blockchains that do not use Polkadot's governance consensus process, nominated proof of stake. Now, Polkadot has provided a lot of solutions to the problems you and I face every day as blockchain users. But in this video, we'll be touching on the 2 most important ones. The first one is interoperability. What does that mean? It simply refers to the ability of different blockchain networks to exchange and leverage data among one another to move unique types of digital assets between networks and their respective blockchains. So as I stated earlier, the Polkadot network provides interconnectivity and interoperability between blockchains by enabling independent chains to securely exchange messages and perform transactions with each other without a trusted third party. Therefore, it gives you the ability to interoperate with a wide variety of blockchains. The second is scalability. Polkadot scales transactions by distributing them across numerous blockchains. Polkadot's transaction speeds have been demonstrated to be 8 times quicker than Ethereum, the transaction rate of around 166 transactions per second. The Polkadot network, unlike some of the others, can handle large numbers of transactions at once thanks to the technique known as sharding. Sharding's main goal is to increase throughput by distributing work in the form of transactions over many chains or shards. The DOT token is the native token of the Polkadot network, and it has 3 unique functions for carrying out the platform's essential functions. The first function is staking. Polkadot's network is secure via a nominated proof of stake process. By staking their coins, DOT holders can earn more DOT tokens. Note that it's also a good idea to be cautious when doing so. Even though Polkadot's network is quite secure, if you are found to be a bad actor, you might lose your network stake. Nevertheless, good actors in the pool are always rewarded. The DOT token's second purpose is bonding, which involves utilizing it to add new parachains or delete those that are no longer usable from the network. As a result, after the term is passed and the parachain has been deleted, the bonded token will be returned to the initiator. And lastly, it's used for governance over the network. This is a very exciting benefit of holding DOT tokens, as users are entitled to complete government control over the platform. Basically, they'll have the ability to vote on the future and evolution of Polkadot. Polkadot also has brought solutions to the traditional banking industry. Consider how inconvenient the existing banking system is, and the difficulties users confront on a daily basis when using their bank or financial institution. Security flaws, slow transaction processing, as customers will typically have to wait days for a wire transfer and incur high fees. Polkadot enables efficient and speedier national and international money transfers, as well as transaction security and safe client data storage, among other things. Polkadot will make it possible to create a total decentralized web in which people have complete control. So, how is their vision going to come together? Well, like any project you are investing in, a lot comes down to the people behind these projects. Gavin, together with co-founders Robert and Peter, founded the Polkadot project. These guys are among the top players in the blockchain industry. Take, for example, Gavin Wood, who's also the founder of Kusama and the former co-founder and CTO of the second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum. He is well known for inventing Solidity, the language used by developers to create decentralized applications, or dApps, on the Ethereum blockchain, and for previously working at Microsoft as a research scientist. Wood eventually quit the Ethereum development team to work on the Polkadot project. So with the experience and successful track record that these three co-founders have in the blockchain space and DeFi industry, they're more likely to effectively execute on their roadmap. Now, in terms of the on-chain analysis, following the network's redenomination from an initial maximum supply of 10 million in August of 2020, it now has over 980 million in circulation, with a total supply of around 1.1 billion, with no maximum supply because it is an inflationary token. Nobody knows what the maximum supply will be in the end, but regardless of the amount, the Polkadot treasury periodically will burn or delete more than 200,000 DOT from the blockchain network every month. So in general, the maximum supply will not have a significant impact on future prices. The Polkadot ecosystem has undoubtedly grown significantly since its induction 2 years ago, with over 1 million total coin holders and a current market cap of more than 15 billion, putting it in the 14th position on CoinMarketCap. Although the DOT token is now trading at roughly $15, many industry experts believe that it will get to at least $25 by the end of 2022, with a 5-year price of around $180. Now, do you think that these forecasts are achievable in the near future, based on the features within the Polkadot network and the numerous solutions it offers? What are your own predictions? And are you ready to buy into this project now? I would love to know in the comments below. Again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more breakdowns on other crypto projects, including everything that's going on in the industry.